Now that we have covered or explored the diverse functionalities of Zoho Writer, let's move on to publishing. For instance, if a tourism company is creating a blog post about a historic site and wants to promote it across various platforms, how can they efficiently publish this content using Zoho Writer? Earlier, you mentioned the use of extensions for this purpose. Could you demonstrate how these extensions work and how they facilitate the publishing process?
Definitely, Balaji. So Zoho Writer has got extensions like WordPress, Blogger, Medium, etc., where you can create contents in Zoho Writer, and you'll be able to push these contents to those platforms by just a few clicks. So for that, you have to get into the document, and once you open the document, you'll be able to see extensions on the right panel. So once you click on the extensions, you can see the list of extensions available. So you can see the list of extensions available, and by clicking the settings, you can install or remove any extensions if required. So for this purpose, as you can see, I have created a content, the Taj Mahal. And since we spoke about AI earlier, this is a content that has been created completely by AI. So I have used Zia and added this content into the document. So now I would want this document to be published in my personal WordPress site. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this WordPress button available in the extension panel. That will just provide me a pop-up, and in here I'll have the options to choose the required site. So if required, I can add a new site or remove any existing site. So here I'll just click on the required site, and for that I can add any title. So let's say Taj Mahal, and descriptions if required. And furthermore, you'll also have the options to add categories. So this is how you can connect your WordPress account by just simply clicking on approve. And once the approval is done, you'll have all the sites being listed out in here, and you can choose the required site. And you can also insert categories to your content so that it will easily be helpful for the search engine optimization. So you can add categories like India, tourism, etc. So now once that is done, you can just go ahead and click on publish. So the content that I've created in Zoho Writer will be published to WordPress. So if there are any changes that you make, you can also republish it and make the changes to the title if required. So that's about the demo session today.